What is up, guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about Fast and the Furious 9. So if you guys don't know, Fast and the Furious is back with part 9. Last year they took a break, so this year they're back and even bigger. Well, not much racing, but even more action. So before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So today, what I want to talk about Fast 9 is that they are using the red hydrogen phone. But if you guys know that the red hydrogen phone, it came out last year or 2018, I'm not sure. It came out, but it wasn't really a succeeded phone. They later on disabandoned the phone project, but everybody was expecting that, yeah, Red is making a phone. It's gonna have a great camera and great specs, because as you guys know, Red is a great camera company. A lot of movies and Hollywood movies are shot on Red. A lot of independent movies are also shot on Red. Music videos shot on Red. If you guys don't know, Red is one of the best cameras out there. A lot of YouTubers are starting to use a Red Dragon and all those fancy Red Maestros cameras to film their videos in high definition quality, 8K, 4K, and all different kinds of K. They are using it, and that's the high-end camera. So a lot of people were expecting the phone to be a high quality phone as how the camera is, but it failed. And but thanks to Fast and the Furious 9, just like Hang, um the red hydrogen phone is back in Fast and the Furious 9. They call it Fast 9, not Fast and the Furious 9. I don't know why they left off the Furious sometimes and then they call it Fast and the Furious sometimes. I don't know the reason behind that, but here you can see some little snips of the red hydrogen in the trailer. This is only what we have so far. Maybe they will bring out a trailer number 2 and you see more of the red hydrogen phone. But clearly you can see Vin Diesel have the red hydrogen phone on his dashboard right there. Right here you can see my mouse, and clearly you can see this is the red hydrogen logo right here. So it's definitely that phone, and clearly he might be using this for a GPS, or I don't know, to make calls. I guess definitely to make calls, or a GPS, or to trigger bombs or something. I'm not sure the reason behind this. It could be using there for a high-tech phone, or it could just be there for GPS, or some high quality tech stuff. But there you can see Vin Diesel using it, and then here you can see Hang, the guy who returned from Tokyo Drift, I think, is using it on his dashboard also. And bear in mind, these are two different cars, so I'm guessing all the team members will be using the red hydrogen phone. Here you can see it is pretty much more clearer, and it's right there. You can see the cameras right here, and you can see the red logo right here. It is not yet known what they're using the phone for, but as I said, it might be just be using as a GPS, or it might be using for some high quality tech stuff. Here you can see the red hydrogen phone. You can see clearly this is a phone that they're using in the Fast and the Furious 9. And here you can see the face, the camera with that face, and yeah, that's it. As I said, I'm not sure what they're using the phone for. I only see the phone on the dashboard in the trailers. They might have an extended trailer or a trailer part 2 to show us what the phone will be using. You might be seeing they have it in their hand making calls or triggering bombs or something. It could be that the project was just sponsored by Red, and Red just said, hey, since we're sponsoring this project, let us put in some of our phones in there. Because as I said earlier on in the video, Red cameras are used to shot high quality videos in Hollywood. So this movie could much as well film on a Red camera, and they just said, hey, let's just put a Red camera in the camera also, and let's just do it since we can do it. And that's what they did. And as I said, this movie was filmed sometime last year or 2018, maybe it started 2018. So at the time this was recording, the red hydrogen was just released or was about to release. It hadn't failed as yet, so I guess it was too late to remove the red hydrogen out of the footage. But they still use it, and I'm guessing a lot of people are gonna meme it and say that Hang is back, so why not bring back the red hydrogen which failed last year? So I'm guessing that's what they're saying, but as I said, it could be a sponsorship or something. But as you guys can see here, you can see it is either dodging the missile or doing something high quality tech. But Fast and the Furious 9 is set to go in theaters May 22nd, 2020. So if you guys want to know what exactly the red hydrogen will be doing in the movie, go ahead and watch it. I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring out a trailer number 2 or part 2 or extended trailer as the time get close by. But that's it for this video, guys. I just want to give you guys an update and a little Easter egg of what you saw in the Fast and the Furious trailer, which you know is pretty trending right now. John Cena is in there. We haven't seen The Rock or Jason, but they could be in there as a surprise in the trailer part 2. You might never know. But I would like to see those guys in there. I mean, that would be very OP movie. That would be like the Expendables. Is it the Expendables? Yeah, I think it's the Expendables with all those bad guys in one movie. But is Fast and the Furious the next Expendables? I'm guessing, because since Paul Walker died, there haven't been that much race in Fast and the Furious anymore. It's more like a a action movie than a racing movie. But as I said, guys, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have to say. Make sure you subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys, and I'll see you guys. Peace.